Streamerbot 1.8 is finally here, and I'm going to show you the quickest way how you can take everything from Streamerbot 1.7 and bring it over to Streamerbot 1.8. Go to where you have Streamerbot installed. Me, for example, I have it in a folder called SB 1.7, and if I open it up here, this is everything for that Streamerbot. First thing you want to do is just actually copy and paste this. That'll just create an instant copy here for you. You can, of course, do this as well by just right-clicking and doing copy paste. By having a backup of this basically means that if anything goes wrong during this, you can always revert back. We're going to rename this so it's not copy, and we'll just call it something like backup. While we're renaming stuff, we may as well actually rename this 1.8 instead of 1.7. Yeah, depends on what you want to do. Next thing now you want to do is just go into the new version of Streamerbot. While in here, you can hold Control, press A, then press C. That'll select everything, copy it. Go back to your new Streamerbot 1.8. Inside of here, all you want to do then is just paste it. It's going to ask you, do you want to replace some files? Just press yes. Now, this folder is now a Streamerbot 1.8 instead of 1.7. Let's confirm it. So inside here, if you scroll down, we should see the streamer.bot application. Let's double click it. It's going to sometimes pop up with this. Just going to run it anyway. And here we can see Streamerbot 1.8 with all of my previous actions. As you can probably tell, there's a whole lot of new stuff at Streamerbot 1.8. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and we're going to go through most of the big features that are after coming with Streamerbot 1.8. If you have any questions or you want to know some more information about it, feel free to drop a comment down below, and I'll be always happy to help. Peace and love. Enjoy creating.